Okay, well, you've seen me demonstrate the bow drill before in the backyard. Well, I'm going to show you doing it in the field. So, there we are. Got my bow, my hearth, spindle, and I'm sure you've seen this before, my handhold, which is bone. You could use this dried, fresh, green, that'll work. Green bone does have a tendency to bind up in the top area, but it can be done, especially if you smear a lot of pitch and oil around it to create like kind of a glaze, which the green bone does help with that. So, alright, let me just show you the process here. Rule number one is keep your drill kit dry. So, okay, take my tinder bundle like this, and I crush it up really good. Remove some big chunks here. Now you catch all the small stuff here, and you know, use a t-shirt, your jacket. I prefer a bandana for obvious reasons. Take the corners, bandana, so collect all the debris, put there. Take the real small stuff, put it in the center where your coal's going to be, kind of push it down to create a kind of good depression. You know what? If you have it, use it. Cattail down. It's a great coal extender, and when you get a little spark in there, it has a tendency to grow, which also creates more heat, which more likely will ignite your tinder bundle. So, that said, let's try to get a coal. Use this cattail leaf to catch the coal, as well as protect it from any ground moisture. We did have some rain during the week, but being in high desert, it's pretty much dried out. Form is probably important. You have your knife slung around your body like this. Take it off so it doesn't swing and hit your arm and all sorts of annoyances. And you got a coal. Don't need to rush it. For teenagers, I was told by Dave Holliday, it knows where the fridge is. So let it eat and grow. Let the breeze do your job. Catch your breath. And all this is you can't rush. You don't need to rush. Look at that monster. Person the flames. There we go. Fire. Easy as I make it, even in the backyard. This is why you practice and practice. My philosophy is you don't practice until you don't get it right. You practice until you don't get it wrong. Something like that. And there you go. This is what happens when you practice. You can even get it out in the field. So, there you have it. Hit like if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you later.